Hey guys, welcome to Instant Film Friday. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you guys don't miss any future episodes. Now, I know that I haven't been posting as regularly as I would like, but it just so happens that Fridays are busy days, so I have been super busy and slacking on posting these videos, but I wanted to get back into actually recording Instant Film Friday for you guys, for any of my beloved followers that watch this series. So sorry about the dogs, by the way. I am currently dog sitting for my friend and the dogs are barking, in case you guys hear that. But what I did want to say was that I have been using my Instax Mini 9 a lot lately. I have grown to like it more than I originally did, mainly because of the ease of use and just the bright days that we've been having with the summer. So one of the features that I actually wanted to talk about is this one right here, the one at the very end called HiKey. And basically HiKey is a feature that brightens the picture that you take extra, brightens it a little extra for those pictures that you take indoors. And it's fair to note that the light sensor will not ever pick HiKey. As you can see where the HiKey button is, there is no light because it never picks that. And a good rule of thumb is if you're going to turn your camera on, your light will select the best lighting. And a good rule of thumb is if it ever selects the indoor, the little house, the indoor setting, you can turn it to HiKey and that is a good use for it. So I'm going to take two pictures, one using the house mode, the indoor mode, and then one using HiKey so you guys can check out the difference. I'm using the little selfie lens, macro lens, because my subject is going to be really close. So that's fair to note, and let's get into this. Picture number one, and then this is picture number two using HiKey. And then we wait for it to develop. So the pictures have developed and the subject matter is not the best in the world. I am recording at night and I didn't really have anything to shoot, so this is what it turns out to be. Sorry about the glare from my phone, but the one on this side is the one using the HiKey. The one on this side is using just the normal indoor mode, which still looks pretty good. But as you can see in the corner of this one, my phone actually glared because the flash was so bright. And then on the wall, it's very apparent that it is brighter and more pronounced. So it's just a matter of personal preference. Sometimes when you're indoors, especially at a party or just need that extra light, having that HiKey mode is essential. Other times it's just for creative purposes, but definitely check it out if you haven't used it before. I mentioned that because, as I mentioned before, the camera will not automatically choose HiKey when sensing the light in the room, so it's going to have to be personal preference whether to use it or not. It's fair to mention that in dark situations that have little light, you want to make sure that you have a subject in the frame, subject within the range of your settings. So if you're going to use macro, make sure it's really close. If you're going to use just the normal lens, make sure it's within 3 meters, because if it's anything outside of that, the flash will not reach it and your subject will be completely dark. So that is HiKey. Test it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Live life instantly, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye.